talk. They can learn words like hello, pretty bird, and how are you? Budgies come in blue, green, yellow, and white colors. Budgies love to sing and chirp. Budgies eat seeds, fruits, and fresh vegetables. They clean their feathers one by one with their beaks. It's like they take a little bath every day. When the sun rises, Budgies start chirping, chirp, chirp. And Budgies sleep by standing on one leg. A happy Budgie will puff up its feathers. Budgies flap their wings when they are excited.